This video is about how I modify a stadium seat for my kayak. You can get a very good kayak seat, but they are really costly and it can be over $160. This is a stadium chair. I want to modify so that I can use it on my boat. I bought my chair from Goodwill for $7, but this one from Temu should work also. I recycled the PVC pipe from my other project, and I did a few markings on it to determine where I will be bending it. I used the heat gun to heat and bend the PVC pipe. As you can see, the pipe starts to collapse slightly at the bent area. To fix that problem, I applied the force to the bent area and shaped the pipe back into the circular shape. Once the pipe cools down, it will look normal. Both pieces are not the same, but we can adjust that later.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.